Hello everyone, it's been a long time but welcome back to another home-cooked meal. Let's go! For today's meal, we have pork patahumba. So this is our specialty for today. We also have rice nga mais, color yellow, gikan nila mama. And for our side dish, we have lettuce. For our fruit, we have papaya, gikan pa ni sa mong reunion. And for our drinks, we have Thai milk tea. Let's eat! Let's start with our pata, of course. Wow. Oh, look at that. Taste test. Grabe. So soft. Perfect combination sa mais na bugas.
Sa mais na bugas. Mais na kanon.
Mais na kanon dahil. Sorry. Balance lang, humba, pero nakamais tang kanon. Grabe na combo, humba plus mais. Oo. Para sa'yo. Karon ako kabalik og kaon ng mais nga bugas. Dash sugar. By the way, brunch na dali namo guys. Nangita ba aesthetic nga glassware? I have here glassware from Lucopin. Oh, grabe ka aesthetic guys. Plus, naapig siya glass nga straw. And buy one take one din ni siya. So, if you need this one, please click the yellow basket. Let's go! Let's drink! As always. And for our side dish, we have lettuce plus homemade sauce. Papaya. Tamis. That's it. Until next time. Bye.